Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you two different tablescape that you can create this Valentine's Day. If you don't have the exact color that I have, you can just use whatever you have at home and make it special for you and your loved one. So these are mostly from the thrift store, clearance, and gifted to me. So I hope that you enjoy and this will inspire you. So for the first tablescape, my theme for this is red and white with a touch of crystal. So I hope that you enjoy. So if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Also hit the bell, that way you will be notified whenever I upload a new videos. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining here with me again today. I truly appreciate your love and support to our channel. So this tablescape, everyone, most of the stuff that I use here are from the thrift store and also from the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby that I got for clearance. So let's get started and let me show you my stuff that I use for this. So in here, everyone, I'm using my napkin. This napkin is red. I bought this from the thrift store last year and I paid $2 for a lot of them. And this napkin holder, I just love this kind of stuff, everyone. I bought this from Hobby Lobby and it was on sale. And my placemat, I bought this placemat from Walmart. And then this charger, everyone, this is actually paper charger. It's white. I bought this from Ross. And then my plate, everyone, I bought this plate from the thrift store. And this is my Noritake China dairy. So this is my for my salad and the dish, you know, the dinner plate. This is for my salad, the dinner plate. I don't have any bowl because we won't be having soup. And then my utensils are the fork and the knives, and the spoon is on this side. And I have the coffees because we love drinking coffee at night. And then I'm using my crystal glass wine. This one right here, everyone, is for my water. And then this another crystal is for wine, because I'm gonna be doing some wine for Valentine's. So it's just a very easy, simple setup, everyone. And I really love using the crystal. This crystal right here, I bought this from the thrift store and I paid $1 each. And one of them is a Mikasa crystal. So everyone, this crystal glass in here, I actually bought this from the thrift store yesterday from my favorite thrift store. So I'm very happy how with the price, and it looks so beautiful, everyone. And these little hearts right here, I bought this from the Dollar Tree. The one with the glitter and the one without the glitter, I bought this from the Dollar Tree. And my tablecloth, everyone, I bought this from Walmart a while back. Since I only have 3 or 4 of this crystal, I end up using my other Mikasa crystal that my mother-in-law gave me. This is another Mikasa crystal. So it matched perfectly here on my table. So I'm very excited with this. And for my centerpiece, everyone, so you remember this greenery are from from Walmart. I actually paid 27 cents, and the flowers, everything you see in here is from the Dollar Tree. So I just arranged them and put them together. And of course my vase, this is a glittery vase. I bought that from Ross. So just a really nice red and white with a touch of crystal. I think it made it look so classy and elegant. So this is a perfect tablescape that you can do for Valentine's Day. It's a nice table arrangement, and you know, with the matching of your cooking and stuff, it'd be perfect with the wine. I think those crystal glasses just give a little nice pop on this tablescape. This glass right here, everyone, I bought this from the thrift store, and I didn't know that this was crystal. I just bought it because it's just really pretty. I mean, I know I thought it was crystal, but I'm not really sure what it is. So I will probably attaching the name for this, that way you can see. And then this is, I think, another Mikasa. I asked on Facebook on the group that I'm a member of, and they told me the name, so I'll be attaching that one. So everyone, Charlotte added those glittery heart in the middle of the plate to make it look pretty, which it really does look pretty. It makes a difference. So I thought I'd take a video as my creative daughter added this touch. So since it's Valentine's, you know, she have to add a little touch of this heart. So this is the heart that we got from the Dollar Tree. For our next tablescape, it's going to be pink and gold with a touch of crystal. Let's get started. So in here, everyone, I'm using my, this is the napkin I got from the thrift store last year. And my napkin ring holder, this is from Hobby Lobby. It looks really nice. It's more of the farmhouse thing, so I decided to get it. And this is for my soup, and a little plate for my salad, and the dinner plate. So these are the plates that I got from the thrift store last year that I got a really great deal. And this right here, everyone, my charger is from the Dollar Tree, and then as well as my placemat, this is also from the Dollar Tree. It was on clearance for 50 cents, so I decided to get 6 of them, And this one right here, I got 6 also because it was on clearance. And as usual, everyone, I'm using my Mikasa wine glass, and then the wine glass that I already have. That way I don't have to buy anything. And I have my fork and my knife and my spoon on this side. Same thing with here. So it's just a very simple setup, everyone. And my plate have a rim gold in here. That's why I have this gold charger and placemat to match it a little bit. And my wine glass right here, this is gonna be for the water, and this is for the wine. So I'll be buying some wine, that way my mother-in-law, my husband, and I can have a drink, and Charlotte will have some juice. And this right here have a gold, so it matches my theme. And my spoon, fork, and knives is in this side. My centerpiece, everyone, this right here, I bought this from Walmart a while back. It was on clearance for 27 cents, so I bought a bunch. The rest of these are the skidding ring because I bought from different Walmart. And then this right here, the pink, it's like a peach color. I got these roses from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to get different color. That way it will match my theme. And it has white in here, and just a really basic color of roses. So it's just really simple. And my vase, everyone, I bought this from Ross, and I paid $4 in this because it was on clearance. So just a simple centerpiece that I put together to just, you know, get that look that I want. So nothing fancy. So everyone, I hope that this inspire you to create a nice tablescape this Valentine's Day. Remember, you don't need to go out and buy everything that you need. Just use what you have already to lower the cost for this. And if you want to have a fresh flower, you can buy the fresh flower and create as a centerpiece and make it your own, or make it beautiful to make your loved one smile and happy. Until next time, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.